90% of the population control the world. 4% of the population are their puppets. 90% of this population is a zombie, is a sleeping zombie. And 5% are trying to wake up the zombies. The 1% make sure that the 4% stop the 5% from waking up the 90%. This is not a war between two religions. This is not an ethnic war. This is not a racist war. It's none of these. This is the oldest trick in the book. Divide and conquer. This is what war does. They create the division. They make sure you are racist. You're controlled by fear. You're breeding hate in order to divide so they can conquer. Do you know how a magician does his trick? So basically, he has a plan. And in order for him to do the trick without you noticing, he does this loud and thing here so it distracts you constantly. While this is happening, he slowly creeps up from behind to implement his magic trick and then magic. That's exactly what the politicians do. They are distracting us with, we are not human, and this is a human, this is not this color, this race, this religion, in order for them to just start implementing their agenda. None of these leaders, look who are leading us, care about us. None of them. I mean, they've proven it one too many times. They create the problem, they create it, and then for them to implement the solution, or to implement their plan, they call it the solution. How do you think we all got vaccines and COVID? How do you think now we are carrying these phones with all our information on it? Why do you think banks are going cashless? And now it's gas. And where's this gas? In Gaza. If 90% wake up, do you know what will happen to that 1 and 4%? Kapoof. They can no longer lead 95% of power. Please wake up.